Today, I want to introduce you to one of my favorite recipes. It's a staple food where I come from and everybody loves it. So today, I want to show you how to make German Spätzle, or as the Americans say, Spatzle. For this recipe, we need 3 eggs, 375 grams flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 200 milliliter water. Make a little well in the flour. Then sprinkle salt over the flour and crack the eggs open and place them into the well. And lastly, pour the water over it. Then use a wooden spoon if you have one and mix it all together. The way you do this, you just keep spinning in a circle and take more and more flour each time until the flour is all gone. And then you beat the batter until it shows bubbles. You can see it right here. And this is how it needs to look. So this Spatzle board on the left is my original board, and I got this as a gift from my mom long time ago. And you can see on the stains and the cracks, it has been used very well. This is the original way to make Spätzle. With it, a Spätzle scraper is used. The batter is on the board and you scrape it down into the water. I will show that to you in a moment. If you're interested in getting your own Spätzle board or press, just check out the link in the description. As a second option, I also use a Spaetzle Press. You put the batter in it and then press it out into the water. I will show you this as well. So let's boil some water. And don't forget to add some salt to it. So first we use the board. Smear the dough on the board. Then dip the scraper into the water and spread the batter over the board. Spread it to the front and cut or scrape thin pieces into the boiling water. And don't be too hard on yourself in trying to make those noodles perfect. It's not gonna happen. Because you have not done them before and it's your first time scraping them with the board. Of course, my grandma would scrape them with an incredible amount of speed, but she had all her life to practice, so don't be too hard on yourself. Once they all float on top, they are ready to be taken out. So put them in a strainer and cool them for 15 seconds under cold running water, and then place them into a bowl. So this is the authentic and original way of making Spätzle. Now let's use the press. Fill it up with batter and start pressing once the water boils. And don't rush it, just press slowly. And as you can see, the slower you press, the longer the Spätzle are. But you can do whatever you want. After they float in the boiling water for about a minute or so, scoop them out and again rinse them under cold water. Use up all the dough. Now, this recipe makes enough Spätzle for about 3 people, of course, depending on what you're using them for. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash the like button. And I see you in my next video.